Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can buy Spotify Premium on your iPhone. Now you cannot buy Premium from the Spotify app. So if I go on app and I click on premium, it does shows me a lot of premium option, but I can't click on it to buy it. So in order to do that, I need to go to my browser, and on my browser, I need to search for Spotify Premium Buy. Once I search for it, the first option Spotify Premium, I need to click on it. Once I click on it, it's going to show me this. So what I need to do is click on Get Started. Once I click on Get Started, it's going to ask me to log in into my account. So I need to log in into my account. So I will log in into my Spotify account and I'll meet you on the next step. Now, once you log in into your account, it's going to show you something like this. Now from over here, you can choose the method or choose the subscription model you want. So let's say I want the 1 month free one, the $119 per month one. I can click on it and choose which method of payment I want to use. So let's say I want to use UPI. I can click on UPI and then it's going to take me to this section where I need to enter my UPI information. After I enter my UPI information, I click on continue purchase. I will be able to pay Spotify and buy Spotify Premium. So that is how you guys can buy Spotify Premium on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.